Let's do some first order differential equations. First order means that, well, a differential equation means there's a derivative in the equation, and first order means that it's a first derivative. There are two sorts of solutions. One is a general solution, which we just add the c, and here we're looking for a specific solution, so we've got to find the c. Let's rearrange this. Minus 1 on root, so let's just get it in the right form. Here we go. We know we're going to have to put a power out there because in here that's a linear function. Okay, so let's just solve that. So it's going to be 2x minus 5, well, it can be the negative of minus a half plus 1, so it's on a half. And we've also got to divide it by the derivative of what that is, so that's a 2. They will cancel nicely. Plus c. That would be your general solution if that's all you were asked for, but we asked for a specific solution. So when x is 3, y is 0. Uh, 6 minus 5 is 1, root 1 is 1, there we go, c is 1. So our specific solution, that was a nasty one, isn't it? There you go. There's our specific solution to that first order differential equation. Okay, solve again. It's a first order because that's just a first derivative. Okay, let's see if we can knock this out in one line. So minus 4 on. Okay, so I didn't put that in the bracket like that because this isn't linear, so we can't apply that negative, the opposite of the chain rule. We can't do that. So we're sort of panicking. We don't really want to do partial fractions because it's not a difference of 2 squares. We can't see u substitution. It's certainly we're stuffed. So you panic. And you go, oh my gosh, I've got a formula sheet, and that looks like one of those tanny things, siny things, or cosy things, and you're right, it is. So that's in the form for arctan. So that should just go to x on 4. Because there's a minus plus c. So you've got to be friends with your formula sheet, otherwise you are stuck there for an eternity. Okay, that's your general solution. That is your general solution right there and then, but we want a specific solution. So the value of y is pi on 4. When x is 4, well, 4 on 4 is 1. Arctan of what is 1? Well, that's my slope of 1, so that's going to be pi on 4. So c equals pi on 2. So here we go, y equals the negative of arctan plus pi on 2. There you go, all on one page. Don't really need that sitting up there. Okay, can we go again? Oh my gosh, yes, we can go again. Love these things. Okay, so dy, dx, okay, so this square is really a problem. I don't know the integral of a sine squared. I can replace it with cos squared, the Pythagorean identity, but I'll still get a power, so that doesn't help us. So we are madly looking at our formula sheet. Where is it? There it is. There's my formula sheet, and you're looking and you're looking and you're looking and you see this thing, cos 2a equals 1 minus 2 sine squared a. So here's your sine squared, and on the other side is just a cos. It gets rid of the power. That's our key. So I want to get that equals. So I'm going to pop it to the other side. And get rid of this 2. Well, I don't need to. It's not a 2, it's an 8, so I've multiplied everything by 4. There we go, that's what 8 sine squared a is. So let's do it. dy 4 minus 4 cos. This 2a is 2 times 2x, which is 4x. You know what? This over here that I'm just about to rub out, it's not needed in your exam solution. That's probably on your scrap paper. This is all that's needed. And now we just want to get a y equals by integrating. Minus 4 sine 4x on 4. Those 4's will cancel. And I want to add a c. Oh my gosh, it happened all in a few lines. Didn't think that was going to happen. There's your general solution. Let's get our specific solution. What's sine of 0? I think sine 0 is 0, therefore c equals 0. So our full solution, there's our specific solution. Very much like our general solution because c ended up being 0. Okay, there you go. Go and get friendly with your formula sheet. It's going to come in very, very handy.